Dear students, I am Madhusudan, your chemistry mentor. Today I am going to discuss about the conversions 3. That is list of conversions given under the third. The first one is it starts with the acetylene and product is this is the product. So we can give the 4 carbon. There are 2 carbon atoms are increased. See, it is easy to. This is the acetylenic carbon. This is the acetylenic hydrogen. Acetylenic hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. It is easy to replace it. So through that, on that carbon, acetylenic carbon, we can introduce any other group. For this, there is a known procedure for us. That is, treat with the metallic sodium or sodamide. Amide ion, ammonia is the weaker acid than acetylene. Therefore, by using the amide ion, that can be replaced. This is triple bond C, this is Na, this is Na. Instead of positive, negative, negative, positive. Disodium acetylide is formed. Common. So many higher alkynes are prepared starting from the acetylene through this way. So now this is treated with it's a carbanium. Sodium acetylide is the source for the carbanium. So now treat with the formaldehyde. Aldehydes and ketones react with the carbanium like Grignard's reagent. Now this is attacking on this. So both sides it happens. So due to this what happens? This is CH2ONA, CH2 of formaldehyde. Let me put the word star here. O minus Na minus plus minus plus. Now treat with the acidified water. This is gone and but 2-ine, but 2-ine 1,4-diol is formed. This is the conversion. There is no other way. This is the only way. So formaldehyde, Grignard reagent and treatment with the formaldehyde, CH2OH group is introduced. The first one. The second one is the acetone to corresponding. The compound is 1. This is the first one. Second one is starting material is acetone. Your product is, this is 2,2-dimethyl propanoic acid. Dimethyl propanoic acid. So this moiety is same. This is the carbonyl carbon. This is a star carbon, which is the carbon atom of the acetone. See now the option left over is the alkyl group has to be introduced. Alkyl group has to be introduced on carbonyl carbon. If this is the case, that is only possible by treating with a carbanion or reagent which supplies the carbanion. The best one is the common carbanion reagent is that is Grignard's reagent. So methyl group. So methyl groups have to be introduced. Treat with the methyl magnesium bromide. This is CH3 COH. No, CH3, let me write the same way. CH3 newly introduced. This is your oxygen MgBr. Just acetone is treated with the methyl magnesium bromide. This product is formed. This on treatment with the acidified water, the hydrolysis takes place. That is this salt is converted into the normal form. This is the tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. I think it is clear up to this. Now the OH to be replaced with the COOH. To introduce the COOH, there are many things, but one way is that we can treat with that is PCl5 or HCl or HBr, whatever it is, and chlorine is introduced. Through the chlorine, we can introduce the cyanide group. Or that is best way is I will tell you why. Reason is that treat with the PCl5. This is converted to the CH3. This is Cl, tertiary butyl chloride. You can treat with that is KCl. Cyanide is introduced, followed by hydrolysis. Second one leads to the this one COOH. This is one way, but this is not the good route. So now treat with the magnesium ether Grignard reagent preparation. CH3 MgBr is formed, MgCl is formed. Normally we use the word Grignard reagent in the form of bromide. This is for corresponding Grignard reagent is formed. Starting from the Grignard reagent, we can prepare the carboxylic acid. See, the route is Grignard reagent treated with the carbon dioxide. R minus attacks on the electrophilic part. R minus attacks on this. This is the MgBr. This on hydrolysis gives that is RCOOH. That is, from Grignard reagent we can prepare starting from the Grignard reagent we can prepare the carboxylic acid. We can prepare the carboxylic acid containing the one carbon atom more. Now it is converted into Grignard reagent. This is treated with the carbon dioxide 1, followed by metallic derivative is formed always. Hydrolysis gives this one. This is the best route compared to this one. Here this is the 3-step. 1, 2, 3 step. It is a 2-step. Number of steps are more here, but yield is more because this is the tertiary alkyl halide. You know that tertiary alkyl halides take part in the SN reaction. We know it. But when you come to the tertiary halides, be careful. They are promoted for elimination reaction if the nucleophilic reagent that is taken is strong base. So here Cn minus is a strong nucleophile as well as the strong base. Why it is strong base cyanide ion? It is the conjugate base of weaker acid. Weaker the acid, stronger the base. It promotes the elimination, dehydrohalogenation and gives the alkene. Therefore, this route is preferred over this route. This is okay, but this is compared to this one, this is the best route. Therefore, the second is easy to convert the given reactant into the product here in this case. Or that is the convincing route for that is preparation of the given compound. The third one is propene. Propene is used as a reactant. The product is propene is used that this is methoxy group CHOCH3 CH2 CH3. Propene here it's a lengthy procedure, but see here alcohol group to be introduced. This is the only contains the 3 carbon atom. This contains the 4 carbon atoms. Now you see the how to convert the 3 carbon into 4 carbon, and now treat with the, that is RCOOH, that is peroxycarboxylic acid, PBA, say the PBA, or metachloroperoxybenzoic acid. So nothing, epoxide is formed. On epoxide, we can introduce the alkyl group by using the Grignard's reagent, that is MgBr. So this is the carbanion, methyl carbanion hits here, this one, followed by hydrolysis. Let me finish off in the one step. Now 2-butanol is formed. Okay, 1 carbon atom is increased. Here, this methyl carbanion nucleophilic reagent only approach here, not here. This is highly hindered center compared to this one. Therefore, this is formed. Now, this to this is very easy. That is a DMS, dimethyl sulfate is a methylating agent. Alcoholic OH can be R. If you want R, treat with the one. Treat with the, this is metallic sodium, followed by metallic sodium. This is converted to sodium, that is methoxide methyl iodide. First treat with the sodium, it is converted to sodium alkoxide. Treat with the methyl iodide. The whole reaction on this becomes the Williamson synthesis, and that is converted to the methoxide. So this is best one. Dimethyl sulfate is the methylating agent. Alcoholic OH can be converted into the methoxy group by treating with the DMS. So you see, this is the phenol. See, phenolic OH is a little acidic. This one. This is treat with the sodium hydroxide. This is converted into the sodium phenoxide. This is treated with the DMS, that is anisole is formed. I am not writing the word DMS structure, that is this one. Or else you treat with the methyl iodide, again it is converted into this one. So methylating agent. This is called as the Williamson synthesis. This route is the Williamson synthesis. Sodium alkoxide and phenoxide is treated with the alkyl halide. So third one is this. The next one is, so the fourth one is phenol 2. This is very simple, and I think there is no need to spend much time on this. This is this 2 adipic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 adipic acid. See here, what is happening? See, ring has to be opened, and there are 3 aromatic ring. It is not easy. That is, treat with the hydrogen under high, in the presence of nickel under high pressure conditions. This is benzene take part in the hydrogenation double bonds. Cyclohexanol is formed. The cyclohexanol is on oxidation. I need not tell what the secondary alcohol to convert into the ketone. Any oxidizing agent can be used. That is, and use the word K2Cr2O7. What is there? This is or copper 300, and that is cyclohexanol is formed. No. It's wrong. It's wrong. And you have to open the ring. This is heat it strongly. When it is strongly heated, that is water is eliminated. This is treated with the KMnO4. KMnO4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For my convenience, numbering is given. That is This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Star carbon. This is star carbon. That is carbon-carbon double bond cleavage takes place with the hot and constant KMnO4. If it's and during this process, that is ketones, carboxylic acids are formed. So this is adipic acid is formed. Next one is this is simple conversion. Cyclobutane. Cyclobutane carbaldehyde, right? Cyclobutane carbaldehyde is formed of a carbon atom. One carbon atom is introduced. How to introduce it is not so easy, right? And this is carry out the bromination in the presence of light, right? This is converted into the Br. Bromocyclobutane is formed. SR reaction, or free radical substitution reaction. This is treated with the Grignard's reagent, magnesium ether. I told the reason why ether is used as this is MgBr, used as a solvent. Next one is, and carbanion is formed. Now treat with to increase the one carbon atom on the Grignard reagent, R part of the Grignard reagent. Formaldehyde is the best reagent. This is treated with the CHO. Then it is converted into this formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis. 2 steps. I am writing alcohol. So this is the carbon in the form of formaldehyde introduced. This on treatment oxidation. Which are the reagent? Copper 300 or PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, Colin's reagent. So that is selective oxidation. Otherwise it goes to the carboxylic acid. This is the way to introduce the and formyl group into the ring. It is not a generalized procedure, but it's here under given conditions we can use this reaction. The next one is the sixth one is the allyl bromide. Easy to predict. Allyl bromide 2. This is CH2Br, CH2, CHBr, CH2, CH2, this is CH2, this is CHBr, CH2Br. This is the, see, this is the molecule with the 3 carbon atoms, this is the molecule with the 6 carbon atoms. The number of carbon atoms are increased. See, increasing number of carbon atoms is not easy job, one thing, and doubling. The number of carbon atoms are doubled. There are 2-3 reactions in which the total number of carbon atoms are doubled. One is the Woods reaction. The other is aldol condensation. Number of carbon atoms are doubled. So here it is a CX bond containing compound. Why not we go for the Woods reaction? Let us see by treating with the sodium ether. This is the product formed. This is star. Let me put the star here. This is CH2 star. This is CH2. CHBr. CH double bond. CH2. Now there are double bond just introducing the bromine group protection type. That is there is a reaction. That is addition reaction. That is AE reaction, electrophilic addition reaction on carbon-carbon double bond, Br, CHBr. Now it is clear. No need for your, that is further, no. See, one carbon atom is more here. Structure is wrong. This is the CH2 and CH2 star. This is CH, CH2, double bonds are gone, bromine atoms are introduced, your product, and 1, 2, 5, 6. Tetrabromohexane is the IUPAC name of the compound. That's all. Easy conversion. One of the easy conversion. And the other one is seventh one is the bromobenzene 2. Bromobenzene. See, increasing carbon atom is not an easy job. That is phenyl, 2-phenyl, ethane, 1-amine. See, the advantage of if there is a cyanide group, you can introduce this is the star carbon. You can introduce convert into the COOH just by giving the water. Easy to hydrolyze. This is a star carbon. And this can be converted into CH2NH2 by treating with the hydrogen nickel or any other thing, lithium aluminum hydride. That is we discussed about those reactions. And it can be converted into the aldehyde group. Star carbon is converted to the aldehyde group. These are the important reactions of cyanide. And that is this is carried by treating with the SnCl2, Stephen's reduction, SnCl2 plus HCl or dibal H. To recollect the reactions, I am taking all those examples. So dibal H. So here, this part we can get from that is cyanide. So how to introduce? One more carbon is required. One more carbon is required means that is carry out there is a bromine. So what to do? And through cyanide we can be converted into this thing. No, it's not possible through cyanide process. Treat with the magnesium ether. Let us move through the Grignard route, MgBr, and treat with that is ethylene oxide, oxirane. This is the phenyl carbanion attacks on this, ring opens, it gives the phenyl CH2, right? CH2, and this is CH2OH followed by hydrolysis, right? Now, in place of this, we can treat with the PCl5 or anything. Its chloride is formed. This on treatment with the ammonia excess, this is formed. So you told cyanide process and all those reactions. What about those reactions? That is now same. This is converted into the phenyl magnesium bromide, right? Phenyl magnesium bromide. Treat with the formaldehyde and hydrolyze. I told you one carbon atom can be introduced, CH2OH, the form of alcohol. Treat with the PCl5. Second one is KCN. So cyanide group is introduced. First, your CH2Cl PCl530. Now it is replaced with the Cn. This is formed. Now cyanide we are converting into that is on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium, this is formed. CH2, cyanide carbon CH2, this is NH2. This is the other route. This is the best route. Anyhow, both are convincing and no this thing. So this is converted to Grignard reagent, treated with the formaldehyde, benzyl alcohol is formed. Benzyl alcohol, you need not take the PCl5, you can take the HI also, HI, HBr, HCl, that is the alcoholic OH can be replaced with the halogen atom by treating with the hydrogen halide, that is HCl. ZnCl2 is required, but it's the benzyl and tertiary alcohols. Lucas reagent is not required, just constant HCl is sufficient. Therefore, chlorine is formed, and then it is treated with the KCl. Cl is replaced with the cyanide. Reduction gives this compound. The good conversion. And the leftover is the acetone 2. Acetone is given. He is asking to prepare the acetyl acetone. Acetyl group attached acetone. Acetyl group attached acetone. See, this part is okay. That is due part is. See, this you have to go through to increase the number of carbon atoms, there are limited number of reactions. The one of the reaction is aldol condensation. The other is Wurtz reaction. See here, what we have to do is that carry out the mixed aldol condensation. You know, if the two or more, at least two different carbonyl compounds are treated with the base, that is that reaction is called as the mixed aldol condensation. This creates the carbanion. This attacks on this. Nucleophilic attack on the ketone center is less readily takes place compared to the nucleophilic addition on aldehyde center. So carbanion generation is not the RDS of the reaction. That is, nucleophilic attack is the RDS of the reaction. Here, carbanion generated by the ketone attacks on aldehyde. Therefore, ultimately, your aldol product is, that is, this is your aldol product. Let me put the word the star. So this is star of this. This is star of acetone. This is CH3 is formed. Now it is clear. This is the design of the molecule is very closer to this one, except this OH group. This to this is easy. It is mixed aldol condensation. So that is aldehyde ketone. Now this is this to this. Take the word copper 300 degrees Celsius. RPCC, what is there? That is which oxidizes the secondary alcohol into ketone. We achieve the product. The reaction is over. Propene 2. The next one is the propene. CH3, CH2, NH2. Same thing. The CH2, NH2 group can be introduced through cyanide. Just now we discussed about the reaction. Cyanide on reduction gives the CH2, NH2 part. Cyanide carbon is converted into CH2. Nitrogen of the cyanide is converted into NH2. This is this. Say, treat with the HDR. Normal Marconi of addition. For convenience, I am writing like this: 2-bromopropane is formed, simple reaction. There is no much explanation is not needed. Potassium, cyanide, SN reaction, SN2 reaction. Cn is this is replaced with the cyanide group. This on reduction with the lithium aluminum hydride or the hydrogen nickel or sodium ethyl alcohol, when we have long reduction, so that is converted to. This is your cyanide carbon, this is nitrogen, this is cyanide carbon. and nitrogen, cyanide nitrogen. This is the carbon, this is nitrogen star. Simple conversion. Now this is, next one is the simple reaction. This is acetaldehyde. It has to be converted into the tetramethyl butane. Tetramethyl butane. See, carbon atoms are increased. So I am taking the help of the Grignard reagent. Methyl. Mostly today we are discussing about the Grignard reactions, followed by hydrolysis. First step is this, second step is this. You are familiar with these reactions, that's why I am writing this is OH, CH3, this is H, isopropyl alcohol. On oxidation of isopropyl alcohol with Collins reagent or this one, acetone is formed. Further oxidation. If it is converted into the, again treated into the with the methyl magnesium bromide again, followed by hydrolysis, ketone gives the tertiary alcohol CH3, CH3, CH3. This is OH, tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. You know the mechanism of all these reactions. Now, treat with the PCl5 or anything PCl3, any phosphorus halide. This is chloride. Now, this is tertiary butyl chloride, 2-methyl, 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. This are subjected to the Woods reaction. Ether. Woods reaction, dimerization is taking place. You see. This is the chemistry involved in these 10 conversions. Thank you guys.